everyone, I'm Maisha Singh. Welcome back to my channel, The Soul Speaks. I am so happy and excited to be shooting after nearly 3 months. But it was not a break that I intended to take. In fact, I wanted to shoot a lot more because my last project in Mumbai ended. However, yeah, things didn't go as I planned. I had to move cities. My project in Mumbai ended, so I moved to Vizag, which is where my parents live at the moment. Um, Oh, my mic dropped. Yeah, I got a new mic. I don't even know if it works or not, but yeah, let's try. And yeah, as soon as I moved to Vizag, my laptop died on me. Then it would work again, it would die again, and yeah, I was just contemplating which laptop to buy when I got the virus, is something that I'll talk about shortly. I don't even know if it's useful. Yeah, let me try. Um, Yeah, so I got the virus and then I had to take a break and then I contemplated my choice of laptop again. You know what? I'll fix my mind. But yeah, more on that later. Today I am super excited to be unpacking my laptop, which I gave it a lot of thought, eventually decided to go with a Mac again. I was using MacBook Air earlier. Even though it didn't last very long, I was not happy about it. However, the time that it did work, it worked brilliantly well. So I had to suck it up and yeah, get a Mac again. So I'm going to change the camera location so I can unpack my laptop on the camera. I'm super excited. It arrived yesterday. Um, so this box had a plastic packaging, but apart from that, I see that everything is non-plastic, which is something that I'm happy about. It came through Blue Dart last evening. It did take about I think it took about 2 weeks for it to arrive. I also ordered it directly from the Apple Store, which has recently launched in India. Oh my God, the earlier delivery date had said it would be delivered by 5th of November when I placed the order, but it came early. This is how it looks. Okay, I spoke too early when I talked about plastic because this does have a plastic cover. So I've been joking around at home that nobody is allowed to enter my room anymore because I have this super expensive laptop now. This is, by the way, my biggest purchase in life. I've never spent so much money at once on anything. It costed me 1,43,000 change, by the way. Okay. Okay, it's thinner than I had expected. Here's the adapter, Indian adapter, because my last MacBook Air I had asked a friend to get it for me from US, so it had a US port. The charging cable is also different from MacBook Air. I guess that's it on this. Yeah, moving to the laptop. Yeah. Here's my starting. So I've also got my old laptop just to give some reference. Oh, it's almost the same size, but the screen size of this MacBook Air is 11 inch, where, however, the Pro I've ordered is 13 inches. It's a big upgrade from my old laptop, which was i3. This one is i5. You know what? I think I'm going to set it up later in my. So yes, my MacBook Air was i3. This one is i5. My MacBook Air was had 128 GB hard disk space. This one has 256 GB, and I did spend a little bit more on my RAM, which is 16 GB. Um, how my old laptop had 4 GB RAM, so that's the biggest upgrade, and that primarily I chose that in order to make videos. So let's hope I stick to it. Um, yeah, it has a touch bar. The speakers here. I would definitely take some time to explore my new laptop. Super excited. Surprised to see that it's almost the same size though. Yeah. Uh so yeah, I was a little clumsy about it because my mother came in between, and then some people came to clean the rooftop. So I got a little confused. I don't think confused is the word. So yeah, that's my new laptop. I would definitely take some time to explore my laptop. I am super excited to get started. I have a lot of plans for my blog. I want to post frequently. Uh, Plans for my YouTube channel. I want to post a lot more videos, at least weekly videos. Even though I'm not traveling anywhere, but I do have a lot of raw footage from earlier that I want to use. Um, yeah. Coming to my virus situation, yeah, I contracted coronavirus last month. My, it was bad. That's the first thing that people ask, because a lot of people are asymptomatic. A lot of people just, um, they only see running nose, cough, and cold. To only experience that. However, I had a lot of symptoms. Um, yeah, it started with fever. I took medication for fever. It got better after a day. Then I took more medication. It felt even better. However, on the third day, I got headache, which is also not very uncommon with me. I get migraine at least once a month. Then, um, yeah, then I was fatigued. I, uh, oh, I'm so sorry. So I guess rooftop is not a great place to shoot videos because people have been coming constantly. It's not as isolated as I thought it is. Yeah, back to my virus situation. So then I got headache. After headache, yeah, I lost my sense of smell and taste, which is still not completely back. It's been a month that I recovered. I can tell if it's sweet or savory, but I can't taste more delicate flavors. Um, like I can't taste ginger in my chai. Um, yeah, and then I got loose motions. I was still weak. Every few minutes, I felt like I was going to faint. But once my medication started, after 5 days, I was okay. It's not I was not 100% okay, because also because we've been indoors for so long. I feel a lot of my health issues are arising from that. I do exercise, but not too much. I'm not doing any cardio. So I think my body is facing challenges because of that. I think a lot of us would face challenges because of that. Yeah, that was my coronavirus experience. I'm much better now. I'm still with my parents. It's been close to 3 months. I don't know how long could I stay here. I don't see myself traveling. Um, as long as virus is still such a huge threat, I don't want to risk my life or anyone else's life around me. Yeah, stay tuned. For all of you who have subscribed while I was not even posting videos, thank you so much. Quite a few people have subscribed to my channel while I was not posting anything. There were no updates because I can't put stories. The stories can only be put up by people who have more than 10,000 subscribers. I have a long way to reach there. Um, yeah, thank you so much. Have a good day. Happy weekend. Oh, I think I'll post it on a weekday. So happy rest of the week. Bye bye.